I think that the most important thing about dog greetings in general is that humans should not really impose themselves on dogs. Even if the dog is friendly or you don't know the dog at all, it is the dog's choice to either greet you or not greet you. So giving the dog time to check you out and either ignore you or come closer to you, that is really important, rather than imposing yourself on the dog and touching the head. That's really scary for them. And then I would, to be super friendly, maybe drop some treats on the floor to lure them a little closer to you. But again, there should be no pressure time-wise or distance-wise on the dog, so that the dog is comfortable and you don't impose yourself on the dog. And then you will see that the dog will give permission eventually. And then I would make sure that you don't do anything that upsets the dog, like touch the head or stare at the dog, but just come gently from the side and maybe touch the dog.